How to recover Discord account without email. So if you want to recover your Discord account and if you don't know the email or your password, then you can't do that on Discord app. So you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'll be here with Chrome browser, and here you will have the search bar, right? Simply tap on the search bar and then search for support.discord.com, and after searching it will directly take you to the help center. So now you can simply go to the upper right corner which has the 3-barred icon, and then go for submit a report or submit a request, and here you have to choose the drop down bar and then select help and support, and now it will give you this kind of interface, and here you have to enter your email address, and after that you have to simply enter a type of question, and after choosing your question you can simply give a subject to it, which is login, and after choosing the subject you have to go for description, and under description you have to write that I'm not being able to log into my account, I don't remember my password, and I don't have the access to the email which I have used to create my account. And you can also add some files or attachments, but that is optional. You can either add it or skip that part, and then you can simply go for submit, which is on the middle of your screen, and after submitting you will get a mail to your Gmail address which you have just entered, and Discord will guide you with some steps after that. So that's it. That's how you recover your Discord account without your email or your password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.